Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how to use our YouTube comment API. So before I show you like how it works, this API can be used for sentiment analysis, market research, or competitor intelligence. You can scrape all the comments of any given video with this API. So once you sign up from over here or over here, you will be redirected to your dashboard and it will look something like this. From here, I will select YouTube comment API and I will pass the ID of the video of any video. Let me just select a random video. Like for this example, I'm going to select this video and this is the ID of this particular video. This is a video on Elon Musk announcing a new political party. I have also written a blog on this. I'm going to paste the link of this blog in the description section of this video. Please do check that out. So coming back to our dashboard, this is where I have to paste my video ID. Here it goes. By default, it is EN, that is English. And once I click on try it, but I will get this beautiful JSON response which has comments of the first page. If you need the comments from the second page, you just copy this, paste it over here, and click on try it. This will give you the comments of the second page. Like this, you need to continue to reach the last page, and this way you can scrape all the comments of any given. So this is the way to scrape all the comments from any video, and this is very efficient. You can scrape millions of comments from millions of videos. And now, if you have any questions regarding this particular API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com.